Congratulations, you're moving to the next level. Your next opponent is you.
First, go to the AI image section. Add the 2 character images you want to use. After that, paste in this prompt. Don't worry, every prompt I use is available on my Telegram channel via the link below. Now, click Generate. Once the generation is complete, you'll be given 3 different images to choose from here. Once the images are generated, drag and drop them onto the timeline, arranging them in the correct order. Then, click on Turn to AI Video and paste in this prompt. Don't worry, this prompt is also available on my Telegram channel via the link below. Now, change the model to Dream Sedence 1.5 Pro. You can now adjust these settings to your preference, including the resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Finally, click Generate and wait for the AI to create your video. One thing I forgot to mention, this feature requires Capcut Pro and AI credits to use. Don't worry though, I offer Capcut Pro access at a much cheaper rate. Check out my Telegram channel via the link below to learn more. Once the generation is complete, repeat the same process for the remaining 2 clips. Each clip has its own unique prompt, which I've already shared on my Telegram channel. Just use the correct prompt for each clip and generate them the same way. Once all your clips have been generated, import your music, add your text, and any final edits, and you're done.
Congratulations, you're moving to the next level. Your next opponent is you.
That brings us to the end of the video. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure to check it out. The link is up above. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you'd like a custom World Cup commission edit, feel free to contact me through the email in my bio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.